Welcome to the Crypto Ninja channel. I'll be live tonight at 9 p.m. Central Time on YouTube and TikTok. Let's look at Atom. I'm gonna start on the daily time frame. It's been a long time, but I'm gonna start buying more Atom. Not much, very small amount, because it still looks really bad. The daily time frame is below the 200. That's rolling over. That's a lower high. But I still think we can't go much lower. Maybe I'm wrong, but that's why I'm not buying a bunch. Maybe a few $100 a month. Very small. I do see more downside, so I have not bought any yet. But I guess my point is I'm gonna start looking into it or looking into buying more, at least a little bit more every month for the next few months. So we'll see what happens. Very, very small position because it just still looks bad. But like the 12-hour looks good to me. Yes, you're below the 200, so it doesn't look great. It's still failing. You're below the 200. That's still a bear flag on the higher time frames, but that's a higher low on the 12-hour. If you jump to the 8-hour, same situation as the 12-hour. 6-hour is oversold. That doesn't look fantastic to me either. The 4-hour time frame got oversold. Trying to get the bounce lackluster. If anything, that was supposed to be a falling wedge, but now you're like going sideways after a dump. That's another bear flag on the smaller time frames. I can draw it out for you if you would like. It just doesn't look fantastic, but I'm still like the 2-hour time frame. That's about to be a lower high, and you're just making a bear flag at this point on the 1-hour. So at this point, I do see more downside. I have not bought any more yet, but I do think if Bitcoin's about to go to 150K, like I think this is gonna go back to $10 minimum, and so we'll see what happens. But the smaller time frames definitely look bad. I can't deny that. Even the 1-hour looks like it could dump back down to 363 at the support. So we'll see what happens. But again, I see this eventually at some point in its life cycle getting a massive bounce back to the upside. 3-day time frame struggling to get the bounce, doesn't look great. 4-day, same thing. 5 days, same thing. 6-day, I don't know. Weekly, I would like to see the weekly get oversold here. So I still see another month of downside for Atom. Probably minimum back down to about 360. We'll see what happens, but it's something I have on my radar. In no means does this look good yet, but it's something that I do think will rebound nicely if Bitcoin does go to 150K, which I think there's a 70 to 80% chance that happens in the next 3 to 6 months. That's my prediction for Bitcoin and for Atom. The trades your friend until the end. Right now, the trend's still to the downside, so I'm not buying any yet, but I think within the next few weeks, I will start buying more, and if I do buy more, when I buy more, I will let you guys know, and I'm going to start DCing into this at least once a month. So let's see what happens. That's my update. It's something to have on the radar, but by no means is it a buy just yet. Not financial advice. The trend's your friend until the end. Right now, the trend is still to the downside, so I would not be buying more. But when the trend is reversed, it would be good to have some, in my humble opinion. Plus, you can stake it, so that's a great thing. I'll see you guys in the live stream at 9 p.m. Central Time.